Hello everybody, so we're looking at problems 1 through 3 tonight. This first one is how do you find the reference angle? If you remember, the reference angle is always going to be the shortest distance to the x-axis. So if we had something like this, and we had our angle, and we'll just say this is 70 degrees, well, the shortest distance to the x-axis is 70 degrees. If we had another angle, and we'll say this one is 120 degrees, well, the shortest distance would be right here, and that would be 60 degrees. For problem 2, we're determining the reference angle. So we have an angle that is negative 210. So we want to find this angle right here. The way we can do that is we have 210. It went past the 180, that's the closest one. And so it will be 30 degrees. For problem 3, we go down 100 degrees, so negative 100. The closest x-axis is going to be at 180. So we'll say 180 minus 100. It'll be 80 degrees. And so this angle right here is 80 degrees. If you have any questions on problems 1, 2, or 3, please let me know. Otherwise, have a good night.